It's now officially springtime here. Lita is coming out of storage and coming home with us. Well, it's definitely a bit windy here today. I'll give you a little bit of information about Lita. She's a 1973 Boler 1300 trailer. She's 10 feet long. It's done a full body off restoration on her. Frame's been done, interior's been done, and she's a dream to camp in. So we'll get her all set up here, and then I'll take you on a tour and show you what she looked like when we first got her, and also how she looks now that she's been all done over. Okay, let's get her set up and cleaned out. Ready. Now it's time to put the battery in. Cut the solar panel up and ready to connect up. And once I get the battery in place, we'll be all set. Well, not all set, but we'll be, part of the way there. And I'm pretty sure you don't need to see me flopping around on the floor on my hands and knees, wriggling around trying to get that thing all connected up. So we'll pretty much do a fast forward and move on. That's always a bit of a pain in the neck, trying to get the battery in after you've disconnected it and it's been sitting for a few months and you can't remember how you connected it up in the first place. But I think we're almost there. Yeah, we got 12 volt power. We got voltage. We're good. Here's a quick look at my 100-watt solar panel mounted on the front of the Boler. Pretty slick. So here's what Lita looked like when we picked her up, I guess it's 5 years ago. Yeah, definitely more than a little work needed to be done to make her ready to camp. Pretty good paint job, eh? And here's what she looks like now. This tour is not going to take a lot of time because Lita's 10 feet long inside and I think about 7 feet wide. So not a whole lot of space, but pretty well designed. Got the kitchen with a sink and a 2-burner cooktop and a little small portable chest freezer. Got a dinette that turns into a bed. And we got a decent amount of storage space here for camping short term or even longer term. Forget the wine rack that's underneath the stovetop. And got a nice little propane heater that keeps things cozy. And the little Bouge RV fridge, which is doing a great job for us. Over here's the media center. And inside the little Raspberry Pi that powers that media center. So we've got music, videos, which is really nice on those rainy, cold indoor days. And even more storage above the countertops.
And here we are, Lita Bolita. It's not huge, but it's a great place to spend time. Well, now we got Lita home. It's just a case of making a list, seeing what we need to do to get her ready to hit the campgrounds and get out there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye for now.